हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एफपीएल गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड आई एम जॉइंड बाय ओनली मनन छिपर टू प्रीव्यू गेम वीक 15. मनन, वेयर इज भाटिया साहब? पीपल वांट टू
He
नो, द
was
वर्ल्ड वांट्स टू नो, मिलियंस ऑफ आवर व्यूअर्स वांट टू नो कि भाटिया
it,
साहब कहाँ
it,
पे हैं.
it's just he was getting good weeks. So हमने उनको निकाल दिया. हमने बोला यहाँ पे अच्छे वीक्स वालों के लिए जगह नहीं है. So that is where हमने राहुल सर को निकाल दिया because उनकी eliteness हम हमको अच्छे decisions लेने के लिए force कर रही थी. But Rakshit, as people would know that you don't give a shit about FPL a lot
Absolutely.
this season. And मैं भी थोड़ा सा उस category में आता जा रहा हूँ. So Vatesa wanted to talk real FPL, right? Real FPL. So we're like, no, we can't do it. It's a short
भाटिया
turnaround.
साहब का लेवल अब सरपास कर चुका है हमारे पॉड का लेवल पे.
Yeah, yeah.
हम इसके बारे में डिटेल बात करते हैं, भाटिया साहब के बारे में, और परेशान करते हैं आप लोगों को. बट वी डू नॉट हैव टाइम मनन, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट श्योर लोग कब देख रहे होंगे, बट डेडलाइन इज 4:30 PM ऑन अ सैटरडे. हम जब रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं गेम वीक खत्म ही नहीं हुआ है. बट कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा डिले करने का. सो लेट अस टॉक अबाउट आवर टीम्स वेरी ब्रीफली. गेम वीक अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. मनन फॉर एग्जांपल करंटली 48 पे हैं, बट ही विल एंड अप ऑन 100 पॉइंट्स जब एम्बुएमो हैट्रिक स्कोर करेगा, और ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस अनफॉर्चुनेटली मनन विल ब्लैंक बिकॉज ही इज माय कैप्टन.
So I'm expecting 52 points from MMO, 100 points
एम्बुएमो,
के लिए.
यस.
Okay, okay, okay.
यस,
Wow, okay, 52 points. I don't know क्या
दैट्स
उसके
अ
लिए उसको
हैट्रिक.
करना पड़े.
रफली हैट्रिक भी नहीं है सर, 4 गोल आने
No,
पड़ेंगे
that
उसके.
yeah,
आ
hat
सकते हैं,
trick
वेस्ट
and
हैम है.
2 assists. Yeah, sort of.
जी,
आ सकते हैं.
बधाई हो
Okay.
फॉर दिस, बधाई हो बाय द वे. या
Yeah, anyway, I think you should give me badai for Verbruggen, who was, I think, tremendous.
फैंटास्टिक ट्रांसफर.
You know what though? You
फैंटास्टिक.
know what though? They could have conceded more. If Verbruggen made 3 world class saves. World class, I'm telling you.
श्योर.
He conceded 4 and still ended up with 1 point. He also got a yellow card. So I'm just happy he made 6 points. He was my transfer in to fund Bruno, who is yet to play and who might play, who might not play. We'll know.
ही विल प्ले
थोड़ा-
सर, ही विल प्ले.
He should
वो
play.
एक एक टांग पे करता है,
He should play.
एक टांग पे
Anyway,
खेल लेगा.
the highlight of the week has been Munoz again. I think he has been
इट डजंट
tremendous.
मैटर, एवरीवन हैज हिम.
Exactly.
डजंट
It
मैटर,
doesn't
एवरीवन
matter.
हैज हिम. आपकी
Yeah.
रैंक इंक्रीज नहीं होगी उससे.
Yeah. नहीं बहुत काफी गिरी है, but the defense has been good. Calafiori 9 defcons. I don't know what to make of it. He should have scored or assisted, but Saka decided not to score that one and scored just 2 minutes after it. So I can't help. Again, I did not captain Haaland. Um, 1 goal, 2 assists. I'm hoping Mbomo at least score one. He scores 1 goal. एक goal भी मारेगा. It will be थोड़ा सा comforting. But that was a horror watch. 5-4 City Fulham. I don't know what to make of it.
क्या
Yeah,
रिजल्ट हुए हैं भाई? 4-3 विला विन एट ब्राइटन, फाइव
yeah.
फोर सिटी विन एट फुलम, एवर्टन बीटिंग बोर्नमथ 1-0 away
One
from
nil.
home, Bournemouth
Yeah,
not scoring, Leeds beating Chelsea 3-1, Liverpool drawing with Sunderland is perhaps one
that's
of the least surprising result
yeah.
of
I
the all.
agree. I
But
agree.
absolutely insane results, man. Some of these
Yeah,
absolutely bonkers,
I
man.
never. I used to feel midweeks are low scoring. I can't say the same now. I don't know. Midweeks are just weird,
So difficult.
right?
Spurs
Yeah.
2-2 with
Yeah.
Newcastle.
सर मुझे एक बात बताओ, ये सेंटर बैक्स कितनी ब्रेसेस मार रहे हैं सर?
ये क्या
क्या
हो रहा है?
करें?
कैसे
हाउ
प्रेडिक्ट
डू
करोगे? वैन हेक ब्रेस, रोमेरो ब्रेस,
मतलब ओवरहेड किक मार रहे हैं, कोई
या
कोई नामो
लास्ट वीक
निशान.
थियाओ ब्रेस, उससे पहले वैंडवन ब्रेस. अनहर्ड ऑफ है भाई ये.
अरे उससे उससे पहले टिम्बर ब्रेस जब किसी के पास नहीं था.
टिम्बर ब्रेस. Absolutely crazy. I can't think of midfielders with braces.
Just a
Hardly.
minute. Sorry.
I remember one Embuemo brace. I remember. I think
One
Semenyo
Semenyo brace.
brace. I remember.
That's it.
When Embuemo brace happened, I had Semenyo. When Semenyo brace happened, I had Embuemo.
And the best part is you removed
That's
one
been my
for other.
season.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's been. I love this season. Yeah.
But anyway, Chase, I
Yeah.
think let's not spend much more time. Let's just
Yeah.
go ahead.
You want to go ahead?
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add with your team?
No. I think let's just go on it.
Yeah, I think you should be
What?
happy with the, let's say, like a 70 points or something
I
after
think so.
this
Yeah. Yeah.
match tonight.
So basically, at 1 million sort of the average is already 60 something. So I don't even
Yeah.
know. Yeah. But having two
यार
midfielders left is huge. Yeah.
मेरी
If
एक
they
और
do
टीम
so.
जो अराउंड 1.4 मिलियन रैंक है उसकी, और वो 54 पॉइंट्स उसके हैं और वो रेड एरो है.
That's it's been a very high scoring, and I don't know, sir, कौन मार रहा है. Again,
Who's getting
I
the
don't know.
points?
I have
It's
absolutely
so
no idea.
weird. फोर्डन लाए थे लोग यार भर भर के ना आफ्टर लास्ट वीक, और मार गया 17 पॉइंटर. ऐसे ही तो आते हैं पॉइंट लोगों के.
Sir,
एंड
Foden
हालैंड
also
कैप्टन ऑफ कोर्स. सर आप देखो ना,
midfielder. Yes.
फोर्डन, किसी के पास अगर फोर्डन और हालैंड कैप्टन है, दैट इज दैट इज मोर देन माई स्कोर करंटली. वे
Yeah.
मोर देन
A-
माई स्कोर
And
विद दिस
and
टू
add a
प्लेयर्स.
and add a Palace defender. Done.
Add a
And
Munoz to
add
this and you have 60 points.
and add Raya, because Raya also, or an Arsenal defender, right? Raya, Calafiori. You're set already, sir. 70
Yep.
points.
Yep.
So, yeah. हम पागल
Bhate
हैं.
Saab got 44. Bruno again captain, remaining to play. Dubravka 2 points के लिए आएंगे. For Pope, he has Bruno captain and same Mbomo Bruno combo, but Bruno captaincy. Richards again defense में points दिए हैं. Richards and Tarkovsky 19 points from these two.
Youth.
Haaland उन्होंने captain नहीं किया. Saka came off the bench to score. Um, आगे चले, दिस इज माई टीम. आई गॉट इन नेट नेट अगर आप देखो तो लॉस है, बिकॉज मैंने टारकॉप्स की हटाया, लिब्रामेंटो लाया, कंसीडरेड ट्वाइस, गॉट डेफकॉन्स. वोल्टेमाडा डिड बेटर देन जॉ पेड्रो, मरन. सो
Yeah.
वो हिट वाज फॉर वोल्टेमाडा, जॉ पेड्रो शिट. सो दैट्स लाइक 1 point डाउन, बट आगे नेक्स्ट इज
He
बर्नली.
was so bad yesterday.
या सो
He was trash.
so fully expecting Voltemade to be benched against Burnley.
Yeah.
Totally.
So, so
Mateta continues to be shit.
yeah.
Sorry.
No, no. I was just saying the difference between your and my team is a Palace defender. That's it. Any
Yeah,
Palace
I'll not
defender.
get a Palace defender. Yeah, I will not get a Palace defender. उसके बाद Haaland, of course, vice captaincy. NDI with a clean sheet, nothing else. Semenyo with defcons. Timber came off the bench. Calafiori got 7. Feels less. और आने चाहिए थे. At least defcon आना चाहिए था.
Love
Bench
your
is
bench.
good, Manan. Alderete with
Love your bench.
defcons. Xhaka with defcons. Reinders with a goal. Absolutely
Are,
crazy.
are you pray? I know you don't care a lot about it, but are you praying for a Bruno not
No.
featuring, so you'll get a
No,
VC
because
Haaland and you'll get Xhaka?
I don't want the wider community to benefit from this. मैं तो
Yeah,
बली का
that's
बकरा
true.
बन चुका हूँ, बट मुझे बाकी सबको देखना सफर करते हुए.
You want to watch the
Yeah,
world burn. Yeah.
yeah. I want United to lose 1-0 or something today, and no
Thank
one
you,
to do
sir.
anything.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much for the
सब
motivation.
ब्रूनो लाए हैं, कुछ नहीं होगा इस वीक में.
Yeah.
But yeah, आगे बात करते हैं about other picks. Let's talk about goals and clean sheet odds. Manan, the weird thing is about this week कि we don't need to think too much आगे, and we can actually focus on this graphic more, because obviously इस game week के बाद सबको 5 free transfer मिलेंगे for AFCON. तो अगर आप for example अपना transfer नहीं use करते हो, so वो waste हो जाएगा, right?
Yes.
If you have like 1, 2, 3, 4 transfers saved, आप यूज कर लो मे भी इस वीक के लिए, अगर
सब
आपको
यूज
जरूरत
कर
है.
लो. सब.
सब यूज कर लो, बिकॉज आपको आपके फाइनल ट्रांसफर्स विल बी 5 at the beginning
Yeah.
of 16. So
Yeah.
that means when we are in 1 week punt territory,
Yeah.
right? And
Yeah.
that is where
Yeah.
this graphic is interesting. So let me begin with you. टीम्स की अगर बात करें, कौन किस टाइप की टीम्स को आप टारगेट कर रहे हो अगर आपको 1 week पंट लाना है इस वीक?
Again, जो blue colors हैं. Let's talk about attack first, right? City against Sunderland. Although Sunderland उतनी poor नहीं है, but City अपने home पे,
Who knows
they
anymore?
they might score a couple or three. Again,
Fulham were apparently good at home defensively,
yeah,
and City
yeah.
scored 5 goals, man. So who the fuck knows?
I did
Who the
not see
fuck
that.
knows?
That is the
Yeah.
wildest thing ever. I remember actually Liverpool wala, right? The 9 goal where Salah was not involved. That was a weird match, and now this is a weird match. I cannot, for the love of God. अगर आप मेरे से पूछते हैं ना रक्षित कितने मैक्स फुलहम कंसीड, आई वुड हैव सेड 2 or 3 मैक्स. Anyway, so City versus Sunderland is something जहाँ पे again Foden, I think he is gonna be the favorite for as a Semenyo replacement, especially, right? क्योंकि
Gonna get him. Everyone's gonna get him this week.
yeah, and then
Everyone's
Semenyo is
gonna
gonna
get him. He's on the graphic
Semenyo,
also.
yeah, he is on the graphic, yes, and it makes sense. Yeah, 2 braces in a row he's looking so good, man. Everything is touching, is turning into goals. So he I might also make that move, although I'm priced out, so I'll have to take a hit for it. Another fixture I like is Newcastle Burnley. Uh, but I don't know.
Who do you
मतलब,
get?
yeah, who
That's
to
the
get?
problem.
That's
Who
the
do you?
thing.
Gordon, I think, should start because he came off the bench. Voldemort, अगर आप लाओगे, there is a risk. I think Bruno Gomes continues to be a good option. I
He
told you
also
he'll
got
score.
his
He'll score
rest.
off the bench. He did not
He also
start.
got his rest. Yeah,
Yeah. Although I think he came out at halftime, but
yeah,
I should start 100%. I
yeah.
think start करेगा. Again, a decent option. Nothing great, but decent option. Defense पे मुझे ज़्यादा interest है लेकिन players like Burn, Thiaw, maybe even a Livramento who I have. I think clean sheet के decent chances है. तो मुझे
Yeah.
लगता है कि अटैक से ज़्यादा मेरे को न्यूकासल का डिफेंस ज़्यादा पसंद है इस वीक
No,
बिकॉज
I completely agree.
अटैक में हु डू यू इवन गेट राइट एंड ऑब्वियसली आप 1 वीक ला सकते हो बट इट्स नॉट लाइक मनन यू विल गेट समवन एंड उसके अगले हफ्ते निकाल दोगे राइट मतलब देर आर अदर प्रॉब्लम्स इन योर टीम यू डोंट हैव टू यूज योर 5 ट्रांसफर सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आप बिल्कुल ही वाइल्ड हो सकते हो
Rakshit,
करेक्ट
although I okay, yeah, but I know we don't know if Voltemade is gonna start. He's a he's a good option considering the striker people that are might they're like aching to remove is Mateta, right? And I don't know what to make of this fixture now. Are Fulham bad at home? Was that an anomaly of a match? Is Mateta good? By the way, we also have to talk about is
नो ही इज
Mateta
नॉट
good?
ही इज नॉट
Exactly. So so and इसके बाद उनका मैन सिटी है with 100% is gonna score but um, I am looking to remove him and I like Voltemade as an option. I
But
like
what is the guarantee he will start?
that's the
You
thing.
are the one who pointed out कि he may not start too. And Manan उनके लिए ना Champions League is important because they lost a lot of
Yeah,
matches. जो मार्से से हार गए थे last match. So I'm pretty sure he starts in the Champions League because
yeah.
he's in their best team, right? And he started in midweek also. He started the previous weekend also. So मेरे को तो serious doubt है कि वोल्टेमाटा start करेगा या नहीं. Especially with Gordon on the bench ना. They can easily play like a Barnes, Gordon, and one of Ilanga Murphy. बहुत
Yeah,
strong feeling है वोल्टेमाटा bench over.
I think that's what makes Gordon a really good pick this week. I really like Gordon this week.
But will you get him for 1 week and then remove him? Is that the
No,
best use of that transfer?
Newcastle have good fixtures. They are going forward. I still feel,
They have
yeah,
Chelsea, I think, after this. Gordon, I'm not sure how good a pick he is. I don't think
mm,
they have good fixtures after this,
so they have Sunderland away, Chelsea at home,
which is
United
not
away.
easy.
Yeah,
No,
Sunderland and Chelsea are not easy.
I don't think it's worth it, bro. I don't think it's
Yeah.
worth it to get Gordon. Voltemata
Mm.
might not start. That is the issue with Barnes. है Barnes अगर आप ले 1 week punt or something.
But then if you look at Gordon as a 1 week punt, he's very good. Just 1 week.
बट
If
ट्रांसफर
people
तो
want to
स्टिल
do that.
ट्रांसफर है ना आप एक ट्रांसफर कर रहे हो उसे लाने के लिए फिर एक ट्रांसफर हटाने के लिए
I agree. I agree. I
यप
agree. I agree.
इज इट
Yeah.
वर्थ इट आर दे बेटर ऑप्शंस आई थिंक सो
Yeah. Foden 100% is a better option. 100%. Rakshit, this match Tottenham Brentford. Thiago is also the flavor of the last couple of weeks. Do you like Mateta to Thiago? Although Brentford के goal scoring odds थोड़े से कम है मैं थोड़े ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था विद बट maybe Tottenham are थोड़े से defensively favored at home although data doesn't say that.
या देर लाइक बैड देर बैड
Yeah, I'm surprised
बट
at these odds.
या आई थिंक या टॉटनहम आर फेवरेट्स बट भरोसा नहीं है राइट उनका दे हैव बीन टेरेबल एट होम फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम एंड मुझे लगता है कि विथ थियागो बीइंग बेंच्ड against Arsenal. He got a good rest also. He's very good long term pick. He's on penalties.
Yes.
He's been doing really well. So and Spurs are Spurs, right? मतलब although Romero scored a brace, but आप अगर defensive numbers देखोगे Tottenham के they were still bad against Newcastle, against Fulham they were bad again. Home matches में they are performing worse. And I'm not sure exactly कि कि clean sheet आएगी या नहीं आएगी. I'm pretty sure Brentford will score, man. If
Yeah,
Brentford
but
will score, then it will be Thiago most likely. So I think अगर आपको long term transfer करना है उसके आगे के fixtures आप देखिए मनन solid है. So I think it's a great option.
do you like Mateta to Thiago?
Yeah, I like it. If you want to make that template move, then you can. I think that's a decent way to go.
But
Mateta to
if you
Thiago.
if you want to go away from Mateta, where do you go then? If not Thiago,
Thiago,
any
yeah.
other option?
No one
Yeah,
else. Absolutely
yeah,
no one else. Like then other names come like Jared Bowen,
yeah,
जिसका देखना पड़ेगा. Like Brighton conceded 4, but
yeah.
West Ham won't score obviously ना इतने ज़्यादा. उनके one of the lowest odds भी हैं. देखना पड़ेगा यार। और तो आप खुद बताओ यार, लिवरपूल इज नॉट एन ऑप्शन। You look at Chelsea, that is not an option. Man City, so obviously you have Haaland, Voldemort की हम मनन बात कर चुके हैं. There is no option from any other team, to be honest. Maybe Ollie Watkins, but he's facing Arsenal.
Yeah. So, but do you think Mateta is a sell though? Like, obviously, Palace. By the way, Palace are not favorites in this game. Obviously, Fulham अपने home पे. Now I
It's a
don't know
close
what to
one.
make of this fixture. What
Yeah,
are you
problem
expecting?
problem with Mateta is manan ki he's, even if he scores, he misses so many big chances कि वो बड़े बड़े hauls नहीं आ रहे हैं उसके. He
Bonus
needs
भी
to
नहीं मिलता.
he needs to score or assist at least twice. Plus, I think manan long term implications Sar के absence के पड़ेंगे Mateta पे, I feel.
Also, do you think they'll just go very solid defense conceding? Marco
Yeah.
Silva conceding 5 at home is unheard of. I
It
just
will be a
feel
low
they'll just
scoring
go
match.
very
Palace
defensive.
away from home and defensively ही खेलती है.
I feel like it's a
So
1-1 sort of a match. Obviously, वो
it
one में
could be
Martinez
0-0
score कर
also.
सकते
Could be
हैं. I
0-0
don't think
also.
so. Fulham, first of all,
They will,
again,
yeah, I
Chukwueze.
think they will score.
What a
They will score,
player,
I
man.
think, but yeah, it's a low scoring match probably.
Yeah, but Chukwueze, what a player. What a player. Any which ways,
अगर
I
आपको
think.
पंट लेना है तो लेट्स से वाइल्ड पंट इगोर जेसूस टाइप का प्लेयर पे जा सकते हो मे बी. Dominic
Hmm.
Calvert-Lewin, Liverpool. We all back Leeds to score at least once. Maybe you get Calvert-Lewin.
No, but
बस
he's
यही
not
है,
starting,
यही
right?
ऑप्शंस है.
Namecha is starting and getting off at 60, and Calvert-Lewin is coming in
Cal-
his place. So,
Calvert-Lewin started yesterday, bro. He
did he?
started, he scored.
Oh,
Yeah,
he started. No, he started
yeah.
both of them. Yeah, okay,
They
my bad, my
started.
bad.
They played two strikers.
Yeah, they played two strikers. My bad. Yeah, so maybe DCL, maybe DCL. God knows, but no one is going there, obviously.
Yeah. So it's Haaland, it's Thiago, and then there's one punt. That's all.
Yeah,
Maybe a
and we are
Mateta
not,
if you want to stick to it.
and we are not gonna discuss Isak, unfortunately, because I
No, we'll
don't
not.
even know if Liverpool, when Leeds are winning or Liverpool away. I'll be more
Exactly.
confident on Leeds at home.
I'm more confident of Leeds scoring than Liverpool scoring in this match.
Exactly.
Any other matchup जो थोड़ा सा आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है या कोई एसेट जो आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है? What's your reading on Villa Arsenal, for example?
So it's a very difficult match to call. Villa अपने home पे have been like polar opposite है जो away पे है, right? If Martinez is out though, I see Arsenal scoring minimum two. That's a thing. Because the goalkeeper was abysmal. उसने दो जो goals concede किए थे, it was
Horrible,
his
yeah.
error. Yeah, both were goalkeeper errors. So if Martinez is not back for this match, then I just feel Arsenal can win sort of like a 2-0, 2-1 sort of a. But if Martinez is there, I'd still back Arsenal to go 1-0 or something. It also depends
Yeah.
on Rakshit ki Mosquera वगैरह सबकी injury कितनी serious है. If they even do have defenders to play, because Gabriel, if Saliba भी back नहीं है, Mosquera भी नहीं है, तो we might see a Timber at a center back and a White at
Yeah.
right back. So it depends on. But what are your thoughts on Wolves United, Rakshit? What sort of a prediction? Let's say people if do would want to would people want Bruno in this match? Like is he a good?
Is
Is it a
Bruno
good?
fit? Is
If
he
he's
fit? How fit is
yeah,
he? I don't know how
if
fit is
he
he.
yeah.
No, what is your question? I didn't get it. Sorry.
No,
Would
matlab,
people
let's say
want Bruno in this
if
match in the
Bruno
sense?
starts, let's say if Bruno starts game week 14, right? Is Bruno an option for people to get in game week 15? Considering he's also good long term pick.
Yeah, he's a good pick. But who do you like? For example, अगर आपको Semenyo हटाना है, Bruno लाना है, you can do such a move because Bournemouth are not in good form right now.
Hmm.
Yeah, he's a good long term pick. Mbeumo वैसे ही जा रहे हैं इस मैच के बाद for AFCON. So Bruno is the standout. I think United asset from
Hmm.
this game week onwards, I would say.
Also, a good point that Mbomo is going because I saw that FIFA ने वो release किया है that the players need to go out on
After this
15
week,
or
yeah.
something. Yeah, on
15,
15, but
yeah, after this week.
a lot of players matches are on 15, right? The deadline I think is around 15 only. But United are playing on 17th. So there's a very good chance that Mbomo doesn't start in
तो
that. So
अभी next 2 weeks के लिए मतलब players are there, मतलब that's what you're saying ना?
yeah, game week 16 players might be there. Yeah, game week
Might be
17
there.
not. Yeah.
Everton Forest, anyone, what do you expect in this match? Low scoring. Still looks like a BTTS to me though.
Yeah, it looks like a 1-1 or a 2-1 either side
Yeah.
sort of a match. Yeah.
Bournemouth Chelsea, we have different takes on this match. I am expecting Chelsea to win comfortably, in fact.
Yeah, okay. I just feel Bournemouth. No, Caicedo is I know Bournemouth are
It doesn't
themselves are
matter.
not doing
देखो, फोफाना विल कम बैक, रीस जेम्स विल कम बैक, गुस्तो विल कम बैक, पूरा
well.
टीम
Yeah,
का डायमेंशन चेंज हो जाता है, राइट? आई नो काइसेडो नहीं है, बट काइसेडो कुछ अर्ली मैचेस में भी उन्होंने बेंच किया हुआ है, एंड द वे बोर्डमouth आर प्लेइंग, मैन, दे आर नॉट एट इट राइट नाउ एट
but
ऑल, एब्सोल्युटली नॉट.
I still I really like that manager. That's it. No, I expect him to make like some change and मतलब he's a very quality manager. तो मैं ऐसा
आई लाइक द
expect कर रहा
चेल्सी
हूँ कि
मैनेजर ऑल्सो, आई थिंक ही इज ऑल्सो क्वालिटी
obviously
मैनेजर.
yeah he
या
is obviously he is yeah
यार, समथिंग इज नॉट राइट एट बोर्नमouth.
yeah
अगर प्लेयर अनअवेलेबिलिटी की बात कर लो, आई थिंक फटीग बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट कर रहा है. अगेन हमने देखा है मनन इन द पास कि ये जो पीरियड होता है कभी कभी स्मॉलर स्क्वाड्स के लिए इट्स मोर डिफिकल्ट टू
mm,
नेविगेट as
mm,
compared to, let's say, Chelsea. For example, so many players will come back into the team, right, for Chelsea, especially defensively. You will have a Chaloba and Fofana centre back partnership. You will have Gusto playing right back, Cucurella left back. You will have Reece James playing in midfield with Enzo Fernandez. Reece James was also playing against Arsenal, by the way, for most of the match.
yeah
And Cole Palmer is back now. Neto did not start; he'll be back. Garnacho will start. So I think I'm not saying कि बोर्डमouth उनको हरा नहीं सकती, but जो current trend चल रहा है, मतलब I'll be pretty surprised if Bournemouth win this match. So
Rakshit,
I'm
let's
backing
say
Chelsea to score a couple of goals.
yeah, no, let's talk about defense. Let's say if someone was free hitting in 15, right? Because obviously you can. What sort of three defense you would look at? Like what would be your defense? Let's say just top of your
I'd
head.
I'd go double Newcastle for sure. I think वो
Okay.
standout defense है मेरे हिसाब से इस week. Especially because you have a lot of assets also. Like City are there obviously, but do we really trust City defensively? Are Sunderland better than Burnley?
Oh,
Yes.
Sunderland are scoring.
Uh,
Sunderland are scoring.
yeah. So I still feel कि अच्छे chances हैं, but I feel there are a lot of options from Newcastle. You can go with Ramsdale. You can go. I would recommend कि Livramento, Burn, Thiaw, इनमें से आप दो ले सकते हो.
I
This
agree.
is a sort of match maybe जहाँ full backs कुछ कर सकते हैं. Uh, I would still go Nico Riley, I think, because attacking
100%.
upside बहुत है. अभी भी
Although
upside बहुत
Marcus
है.
Nunes also has been playing well. So
He has been playing well, yeah.
if you want to,
And again, I would go a Palace probably because I can't find any other player.
yeah, I don't think I'd go Arsenal on free hit. I
Probably,
don't
but
even.
again, if you see the percentage, Manan, they are still number three
Yeah,
because again, मतलब and obviously the bookies know कि उनके player injured है, but still
yeah,
उनकी foundation इतनी strong and they kept a clean sheet yesterday also.
yeah. They did.
I would not surprise me if they went and won 1-0 or something. You know,
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Nice.
सालिबा के
Nice.
बारे में उसने बोला था कि it's a matter of days, not weeks.
Yeah.
Might be back. They have some
Hmm.
players coming back also. Rice को भी कोई injury नहीं है, उसने वो भी confirm किया.
He's fit. He's fit. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of players are coming back into the team, right? Attack wise मुझे लगता है ना, they are Eze will come back, Saka will come back. ये सबको अच्छा break मिल गया था
And I
in
think
this
Marino
tournament.
should start by the Gyökeres.
Maybe.
Marino is so good, man. Like I don't like. He's very good.
Yeah.
Like he scored what 4 5 goals in the last 7 matches,
Hmm.
something like that. Insane.
He enables all the other options also.
Yeah. True. True. He makes
Yeah.
the game tick
So
well.
yeah. Anything else? We can move to our teams.
No, I think we can move. We'll
Okay.
discuss transfers.
Let's go
Yeah.
quickly. This is your team. What are your plans?
The plan is to do. I'm done with Semenyo. Even if he scores, he scores. I like
Any
Bournemouth.
temptation to get Thiago this week?
Yes, so that is where I'm coming on. So I had the exact money yesterday before the Foden rise for Semenyo to Foden. I did not do it just because we don't know Bruno पे doubts थे. Let's say if he was doubtful this much, I could have easily done Bruno to Foden, right? So that's why I was waiting on it. I think I'll do the Semenyo to Foden, and to fund it, I need to do something. Caicedo or definitely someone I can easily downgrade, but I don't want to. I want to attack.
I would
Uh,
recommend something. You can do,
yeah,
मतलब, you do Van Dijk to Nico Riley.
yeah, that is something I really like because Van Dijk is just he's gonna keep giving defcons, but I don't want the hall is not coming. But the other option I was thinking was Mateta to Thiago. Again, it's a long term move, and I really like that move just because getting off at 60 minutes in the last 3 consecutive matches, it's not a good look. And ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके लिए अब break आएगा. They still have to play every midweek because of European competitions and everything. So, and they don't have players. Sar is injured now. They don't have players. So I just feel we'll keep on seeing Mateta getting off around 60 minutes. And I just feel Thiago on penalties is a much better shout. So probably I'd do Semenyo to Foden and Mateta to Thiago. That's
for a
gonna be
hit.
my for a hit. Yeah.
Captain Bruno.
What are you talking about, man? It's Haaland now. It was such a difficult watch, Rakshit, that match. City Fulham now. So yeah, I'm gonna go Haaland.
Wolves is the better fixture though than Sunderland,
Yeah,
right?
that's what I thought in the last game week as well. Bruno might do well, Mbo might do well, but yeah, it's difficult. Haaland, he last match we got really lucky, Rakshit. He hit the post twice as well, so he could have had a bigger haul. So I'm just going Haaland. Yeah, no two
What
ways
is
about
luck?
it.
What is not?
Yeah,
This is my team. Defense looks all right. अगर आर्सेनल ने ठीक किया तो I don't want to make a keeper
I love your
transfer.
defense. Yeah,
Uh, no one will do anything and Munoz will score again. So I don't agree with that. Attack में कोई इतना बड़ा issue नहीं है except the fact कि Mateta is shit and Voltemada will be benched. Bruno Fernandes is injured. I'm not sure what's happening there. India is there. He's been pretty bad over the last few weeks. Semenyo has been shocking also. So yeah, I have to see. क्या करना है? I have no idea. What would you recommend? Would you recommend taking a hit? Would you recommend if I had to make one transfer, what would you
do you have
recommend?
money? Do you
I
have
can't
money?
get I can't get Foden because I have 3 City, as you can see. I don't want
Oh
Foden
my
also right now.
God! Yeah, I did not see the shining
Yeah,
light
Rangers who
that is
scored by the
there.
way. Who scored by the
Yeah.
way, yeah.
He played 90.
So
Any chance he starts
no,
this match?
no. I still don't want him to play. Matlab, even if he starts, I don't want him in my team. No.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Then where do you go, Rakshit?
So
Yeah, go on.
I don't know. ऐसी कोई urge नहीं है इस week थियागो की. I think he can come in next week. That's
Yeah,
for you also maybe. That is a move जो आप एक week
yeah.
delay कर
I
सकते हो.
think about.
मतलब is
I
it
think
really
about
worth
it.
a hit? Normally I would recommend it कि हाँ यार long term move है hit ले लो. But आपको 5 transfer मिल रहे हैं. You have to
The
keep
thing
that in
is,
mind.
the thing is, right? It's the upside with Foden that could be that could make it worth it because I'm getting Foden right along with and I Semenyo versus Foden I just feel it's a big upgrade, right? Considering the fixtures Bournemouth has. So I just feel that a hit, if you see in combination, it might work. It might be worth.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I have to get like a Palace defender, like a Munoz or whatever, then who do I remove? Because Arsenal have Wolves in the next week,
Yeah.
and I think Timber Calafiori will start most matches now.
I don't think you remove Arsenal defense.
You cannot. I cannot remove O'Reilly. I cannot remove Livramento. I have to
Yeah.
just go against it. That's why I was saying I can't get a Palace defender right now.
Yeah, I agree with you. But
Unfortunately, yeah.
I think you will be more leaning towards the Semenyo to someone.
As I said, Mateta to Thiago. Mateta से मुझे absolutely कोई उम्मीद नहीं है इस week. Zero,
Yeah.
absolutely zero.
Same.
It's a confirmed blank. I feel
I
so.
also feel that.
I might take a hit and remove him. Uh, to a Thiago or maybe like a Jared Bowen or someone. अगर Bowen मुझे impress करता है आज, and Brighton looked shaky in the last match also. अगर let's see if my gut feeling was right regarding Bowen, आज थोड़ा idea हो जाएगा. Still open to
Yeah.
like exploring. क्योंकि अगेन बोवन आपको ना वही चीज देता है जो ये सब प्लेयर नहीं देते हैं. जैसे थियागो बेंच हो गया, मनन मार्टेटा इज गेटिंग सब्ड ऑफ अर्ली. ये सब आपको बोवन इस फिक्चर पीरियड में ना दिसंबर में यहाँ पे उसकी अपील
Hmm.
आती है. फील
Hmm.
राइट, क्या करोगे
Yeah,
अच्छे फिक्चर के जब आपका प्लेयर स्टार्ट ही नहीं करेगा, राइट?
I
दैट इज
agree. I agree. He has to start to
सो
score.
या एग्जैक्टली. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वेस्ट हैम लुक टुडे, उसके ऊपर होगा. सेमेन्यो इज अ आई डोंट नो मैन, he's been a disaster, total disaster. किसी को I don't think anyone should live in fear. You can easily remove him.
Should
इस week
not
अगर आप
fear
देखोगे
Semenyo.
मतलब absolutely, absolutely.
He scores his scores,
Um,
but you should not fear Semenyo.
yeah.
Yeah.
So if I remove Semenyo, let's see who I get. I'm priced. I don't have any Newcastle or City slots available, but I do have an Arsenal slot, and I might also look at someone like Eze
Mm. But do
because
you are you tempted for Foden for a hit though, like something like Semenyo
no,
to Foden and Rangers to someone just to
no,
make that spot available?
no. Matlab, I just feel back-to-back braces are good, but not sustainable.
I
So
agree.
he's gonna be fine, but it's not like every week he's gonna do that.
And Sunderland is
Um,
not gonna be easy, is what I feel.
yeah, and
Uh,
उसके बाद के fixtures आप देखो, they have Palace, I think, which is
yeah.
also not gonna be easy. So
Mm.
is he gonna get those spaces? Maybe, but it's okay. I feel it's nothing. वो if you look at Arsenal, they have Wolves इसके बाद, right?
Yeah.
मेरी feeling है कि Arsenal Villa में I think Villa will have a go at Arsenal, and Villa are absolutely brilliant at home, absolutely brilliant at home. But I think this I think this Arsenal team is a big test for them.
I agree. I
And
agree.
they started their whole team against Brighton, and Arsenal rested some players. So this might be a match मतलब जहाँ हम expect कर रहे हैं कि wheels will come off and Villa can shock Arsenal, but I won't be surprised if Arsenal score 2 or 3 goals in this one.
That I'm expecting sort of a 2-1, 2-0 sort of is my
Something.
prediction for
I am backing Arsenal to score 2 goals,
yeah, for Arsenal, yeah.
and yeah. So I feel कि I can do something like Semenyo to Eze.
You don't have a lot of money, right?
I have 0.9.
Okay. I was just thinking
Yeah.
if Saka, you can read Saka, but you obviously can't. It's yeah.
No, I don't want Saka. Yeah,
Mhm.
I don't want
But I
any
also
players.
like Rice, Rakshit, Semenyo to Rice.
I'll go Eze. If I go, I'll go Eze. Otherwise, I won't. Let's see.
Hmm.
टेलीग्राम चैनल दोस्तों ज्वाइन करो FPL गपशप लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड व्हाटएवर हम रैंट करते हैं वहाँ पे कोई लीक्स आते हैं उसके बारे में बात करते हैं जनरली कुछ ना कुछ गंद मचा होता है FPL में स्पीक बहुत बचाता तो लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा टेलीग्राम चैनल का ज़रूर ज्वाइन करेगा दोस्तों वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन
Yeah,
में मिल जाएगा
please do.
एंड भाटिया साहब की टीम नहीं है मनन क्योंकि
Yeah.
भाटिया साहब इज अनअवेलेबल ही इज ड्रंक समवेयर बट या लेट्स सी व्हाट ही
And
डज
also, he doesn't want to reveal his transfers because he
या
feels he's doing well and he's soon gonna overtake me and and the world. So that's why he's just वो प्री बूस्ट कर रहे हैं sort of celebrations, प्री celebrations चल रही है उनकी
या
बूस्ट के साथ. But
या
yeah, I think we'll all have to make good decisions
एक्सेप्ट इट
and थोड़ा भाटिया सबको नीचे लाना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा जो वोटर है ना उनको
या
यार.
मेरे पास और नीचे गिरने के लिए है नहीं बट आई विल शो यू दैट आई कैन फॉल इवन मोर दिस वीक थैंक यू सो मच
No,
गाइस लाइक करो दोस्तों स्ट्रीम
I
को
will try.
एंड वील सी वेरी वेरी सून चीयर्स गाइस
Cheers.